Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of dx over 7x squared plus 5. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we put about s equals to the square root of 5 over 7 and we choose about tan t. Ds equals to this one multiplied with secant t squared dt. This one we put this one in here and you will get about 5 over 7 tan t squared. Ds we change for this one. Seven multiplied with 1 over 7, you got about 5. We put number 5 outside. And this one go outside too. Tan t squared plus 1 we change to secant t squared. This one cancel this one. And now we just have t plus c. About t, we need to change back for s. So we got about t equal to r tan. And because we divide both sides with the square root of 5 over 7, you got about s multiplied with the square root of 7 over 5. And we put this one in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.